Hello, this is Derek Graham, aka Papal Penguin. Just wanted to give you guys an update regarding our GoFundMe account. Currently, we got a quote from getting a part that we need for our car. Will be needed for the move. We had to get a exhaust manifold for our car because the one that's currently in there is too rusted to be able to remove the oxygen sensor from it. That's going to cost us about $135 right there. We're also looking at trying to put in $200 a month. We just had to replace four tires just recently. All four of them were different brands and different levels of tread. They were all pretty poor. The wires are starting to show on them, but we got those just replaced, so it strained our savings. Um, we also have to check the evap system on our car. We have a check engine light for the car. The emission test won't go through if we don't get that light taken care of, which currently it looks like it's just the evap system and the oxygen sensor. But the oxygen sensor, as I said before, we need to get that part for to be able to get the oxygen sensor off without damaging the exhaust manifold. So we have to get a whole brand new one. Unfortunately, it's hard to find, and we were able to find one on eBay. It's brand new, guaranteed for a year for $135 plus tax. Uh, and as I said before, we're saving $200 a month. We'll be continuing to save $200 a month. Anything that you can offer to help out will be appreciated. We also, I believe, we're looking at about $3,000 for the cost of movers. Might be more, might be less. We have to go through our stuff still and figure out what we're going to get rid of. Be able to make room to be able to fit what we have into a one bedroom. We're currently in a two bedroom, so hopefully that gives you some idea of what's going on. Uh, Thank you so much for listening and watching, and we hope to be able to give you updates. Wanted to say an appreciation to Suzanne and to my cousin Deborah. Thank you for donating what you could. Appreciate it very much from the deepest in our hearts. Thank you, and you have a good day.